These are the best water filter pitchers, courtesy of whatisnegativeIon.com. These are listed from most affordable to most expensive. The first one on our list is the BRITA 42629 Slim Water Filter Pitcher. If you're by yourself or you have a small family or even a small space in your refrigerator, you'll definitely want to consider the BRITA Slim. It was designed to be compact and easy to hold and refill, so you can quickly and simply pour yourself a glass of water on the fly, no matter how small or jam-packed your fridge might be. The BRITA large 10 cup everyday water filter pitcher comes in at $26, still very affordable. Simple, efficient, large, smart. These are just a few words to describe the BRITA 10 cup water filter pitcher when you decide to use it for you and your family. The most obvious feature is that it holds 10 cups at a time, so you and the whole family can stay hydrated at dinner in one sitting without anyone having to get up to refill the pitcher. Very convenient. Just fill it once, sit back, relax, and enjoy your dinner with a nice glass of water. The ZeroWater 10 cup pitcher. Safety and assurance is what you'll always get when you have the ZeroWater 10 cup. As its name suggests, it holds enough water to keep you hydrated throughout the day, and its intuitive design makes pouring and refilling a breeze for you. The Invigorated Water FBA Deepa Restore Alkaline Pitcher Ionizer. If you are shopping on a budget and looking to save money on water bottles and pitchers, this Invigorated Water pitcher may be a great option. It is affordable and still gives you the main benefits you are looking for. Its pH 001 filter will last you for 96 gallons, which is equivalent to 1,800 cups or 360 liters of water. Get the best bang for your buck and know exactly when to replace it, as the digital water gauge will notify you when it needs to be changed. Simple, easy, and convenient. If you want to have no doubt that you are getting the best alkaline water for you available, go for the modernized EHM Ultra Premium Alkaline Water Pitcher. Not only can you taste great, refreshing water that is alkalized and ionized to balance your body's pH levels and reduce its oxidation levels, you'll get the bonus benefit of added minerals like calcium, magnesium, and potassium, along with antioxidants. The Pure 18 cup dispenser with filter. Tired of filling up your pitcher all the time? Never seem to have enough water for everyone in one sitting? Those worries are a thing of the past when you have the Pure 18 cup dispenser. Forget refilling a pitcher all the time and upgrade to a water dispenser that can hold 18 cups of water and keep your thirst quenched for some time without having to run back to the kitchen sink. The filter will remove 90% of mercury, 95% of certain industrial pollutants, and 94% of certain pharmaceuticals, plus more. AQUAGEAR water filter pitcher. This AQUAGEAR pitcher was made with the consumer in mind, especially if you are vegan and/or planet conscious, as its design was recycled with love and FDA-approved food materials. Combine that with its US-made filter and its 100% BPA-free plastic casing, and you can feel good knowing you're filtering your drinking water while also helping to save the planet at the same time. Propur water filter pitcher at $70. If you're not concerned about big brand names and just want the best performing pitcher, take a serious consideration of the Propur. It's not just heavy-duty filtration, but is also super durable with a filter that will last you 2 years. It lasts much longer and gives you more gallons of water than most models. Clearly filtered clean water filter pitcher at $75. Another popular leading brand is the Clearly Filtered Water Filter Pitcher, which has been laboratory tested and NSF standard approved to remove more tap contaminant from your water than the top 5 leading brands combined. For more information, come check us out at whatisnegativeIon.com. Check out the links below for more information on these items.